Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create and go back to restore points in Hyper-V. So if I open Hyper-V up, as you can see I have multiple VMs with this 25H21 currently running. So in order to go back to a restore point, you first need to create one. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the checkpoints feature of Hyper-V to create points to go back to, and then you can either choose to go back to them or merge them with your current working version. So at the minute, if I want to get rid of this current version here, so this is a version that I have created previously, all you have to do is right click on it and then click delete checkpoint and then say delete, and that will then merge the changes between when that restore point was created and what you've done since, so that then it has the current version all in one. So when you create a restore point, it will take a record of everything that's been done at that point, and then keep a record of everything that's been done after that, and until you delete that checkpoint, the things after that will be kept separate so it knows what to merge later on. So as you can see, this is what the VM currently looks like. So if I want to be able to come back to this point in time before I do anything else, all you have to do is right click on the VM, go to checkpoint, and then as you can see, it is creating the checkpoint. So once it's done that, it will then show up under the checkpoint section here. And there we go, as you can see, the checkpoint has now been created. So now if I go and make some changes on the VM, so I will just download Firefox, and then I'll install it. And there we go, as you can see, Firefox is now installed. So for example, if I want to be able to come back to this point after Firefox has been installed, I can come to the VM and create another checkpoint. And there we go, now it's created that checkpoint. As you can see, it's showing that the checkpoint has been created after the other one. So it will show it in a tree form, where the one at the top is the oldest one, and then every one below that is a newer one after that. So for example, if I want to go back to before I installed Firefox, all you have to do is go back to the checkpoint for it. If I right click on it and then click apply, that will then take us back to that point in time when that checkpoint there was created. So now if I open the VM up again, as you can see, after applying that, we're now back to a point in time before Firefox was installed. And then in theory, if I wanted to go back to that checkpoint, so as you can see, it shows where we are now. So we're just under this checkpoint here. If we want to go back to this one, all we have to do is click on it and then click apply again. And it will then apply that checkpoint to the VM. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back to the point in time where Firefox was installed. So the final thing we just want to go over is you do not want to have checkpoints that you do not need anymore, as it just makes things more complex. So for example, if I wanted to say at this point in time I don't want any of these older checkpoints, all you have to do is right click on them and then press delete, and then press delete, and then as you can see it will start merging them into the current version. So if we delete it again on the other one, all of our versions have now been merged into the main one once this completes. And there we go, it's now finished merging, so we're now back into one single version with no other checkpoints. So guys, hopefully you found that helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button, subscribe for content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.